Hello guys, this is Mix Medina YouTube channel. So we will discuss on how to configure the Active Directory, DNS and DHCP in Windows Server 2022. So for now, I will use the Hyper-V to use for configuring this role. So I already installed this operating system to the Hyper-V. We have one server. So as you can see in my screen, I already installed the Windows Server 2022. Then we will rename the PC with the PHMEDDC-DC1. Then the role of the server we will configure is Active Directory, DNS and DHCP Server. So we will for the best practice, we need to make a static IP for this server, the device server. Then we will also join two laptops. I will show you how to join these two laptops to the Active Directory. So we have a PC name. For the best practice, I use the ID name for the company, like this, med001, med002. Also we will use the OS Windows 11 for this activity. Then DHCP enabled. Okay, then in Active Directory we will show on how to create an account. Okay, we have a IT department, organizational unit, and IT staff organizational unit. So I will create two users that will log into this laptop. Okay, so let's start. So this is our domain. We will create this domain, okay, for DNS. So discard. Now we go to our Hyper-V. So I already, as mentioned before, I already installed the Windows these two laptop. Assuming this is two laptop, then one server. So now I will connect to the server for the configuration. Okay. So if you want to check how to install the Windows Server 2022 OS, I will show the link here. Then now, okay, so this is our Windows Server. Okay, so let's wait. Yeah, now the server manager is opening automatically. So now, as you can see, it's still new. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we will go to our internet adapter. So go to P. So let's make this 192.168.0.1/24.25. Our gateway, assuming we have a router. No, wait, this is one. This is for example 254. Okay. Then this DNS, our DNS 192.168.0.254. Okay, this DNS. Okay. Click OK. Okay. Next is the PC name. So let's try to check the PC name. So here settings. So change PC name. What's the name? Okay, PH like Philippines Med DC1 domain controller 1. Okay, like okay. Now it will restart to take effect all the settings we change. Okay, now it's done. Happy. Nice. So guys, if you want to check how to enable the Hyper-V, I will put the link in the screen. Now, what is in our project? We need to the role. This is the role. We need to set up the Active Directory. Then, so the first thing you need to do is add roles. Okay, click next. Role based or features based installation, this one. Click next. So check server full. Okay, so next is click next. Now we will select the Active Directory domain services. This is one. Okay, add features. Next. Now as you can see, the group policy is already checked. So next. Now so I said to help ensures can still log on to the network into the case in the case of the server outage, install the minimum 2 domain controllers. This one we will do it. We will do it later, maybe in the next part of the part 2. We will create a second domain. This one we don't need. Okay, next. Then no need to restart, just install. Let's wait. So just to remind you, for the best practice to create this configure this DNS, DHCP, and Active Directory. So you need to first the IP of this device, change to static IP. Okay, change to static IP. Then rename the device, server device. So this is the, so now as you can see the internet is 192, and the computer name is PH Med DC1. Okay, now already installed. Close. Then let's see this. We need to promote the domain controller, so let's promote. Click. So this is new. So we need to add new forest. So what is the root domain name? This is medina.com. Okay, medina.com. So next, forest. Okay, as it is, don't click anything. Same domain name, system DNS server, catalog. Then create a password for directory service restore mode. Oh, I will use the same with the login. Okay, next. So we don't need this one. Click next. So NetBIOS. This one is the, you know, when you log into the laptop, you will see the domain name. under the login. So I will show you later this NetBIOS domain name. Okay, click next. Okay, as it is. Next. So this is my review option. Click next. So prerequisite checks. So don't worry about this, like there is like error or something. The important is all prerequisite checks pass successfully. So we need to click install. Okay, now it will sign out to take effect again. The changes we did, or we configured the one we configured, the DNS. Connect again. Okay, now as you can see, there is sign in to this one, the NetBIOS. Last time we talked about the NetBIOS, this one, Medina. Now it's showing the Medina. So now I will log in, administrator. Okay, now let's check. So now we have ADDS, it's active. DNS, this one we need to configure later. So as you can see in the local server, the domain is medina.com. It's already changed now. So now we will configure the DNS. We are done with the Active Directory. Next is the DNS. So we go here, DNS. Okay, so click this, drop down. So as you can see, we have already the domain name and also the PC is already here. So we need to check first properties, the startup authority, the SN. So it's already, it's okay. Okay, now then next is the SOA. Let's see if it's configured. So security, wait, name of the server. Okay, now it's okay. There's IP address. So what is this private ID? Okay, this is a PTR record, so we will configure this one last. So now we need to add a new zone. Okay, so click new zone. Next, so this is the new one, primary. We will use the primary zone. So you can select how many wants DNS data to replicate to your network. So we will use this to all DNS server running to on domain controllers in the domain medina.com. Okay, click next. Click IPv4 reverse. So we will put our IP 192.168.0 only. Okay, the next is click next. Allow only secure dynamic. Click next. Okay, this is the summary. Reverse. Okay, finish. Click finish. Now click this. We need to validate. So go to name server, unknown, edit, resolve, and okay, apply. Okay, another one, resolve, Okay, it's already resolved. So resolved. So now we need to make a point record. Okay, click update, associate, apply. Okay, then let's see here. Yeah, now it's already here. It's reflecting now the point, the PTR. So we are already done now in DNS. Okay, we close. So next is DHCP server, or the DHCP system. Okay, now we go to role dashboard, add roles, click next, click next, click next. Now we need the DHCP server. Okay, so as you can see, Active Directory domain server is installed, DNS server is installed also. Then the last one we need to install is the DHCP. Next, 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 install. Let's wait. So DHCP will what's the function of this DHCP? So it will release or assign the IP address to the laptops that joins to our domain. You know, so we will check this one after. Okay, now what's happened? Okay, now we need to click this complete DHCP configuration. Okay, next we need to commit. Please click next. This is the Medina administrator. Okay, commit, done, close. Now DHCP is already activated, so we need to configure. So let's see in the tools, DHCP, click DHCP. Okay, DHCP. So there is two IPv4 and IPv6, but I forgot to disable this, but I think it's there's no problem on that. So server pool, policies, filter. Okay, wait. So what we need to do here now is add a scope. So right click, new scope, click next. So this name like med DHCP, med DHCP. That. Click next. So configure the setting DHCP server. So we need to set up the range. So for example, you need to include you need the IP addressing. So from IP.1 to 10. This one you don't need to use. Okay, you need to reserve. Or 1 to 20. So you can connect the printers, switch, Wi-Fi, access point, and other needs the IT static. So we will reserve that IP. So we will start in 192.168.0.21. Okay, 21 to, so maybe you have a SQL server, or you have another domain server again. You need to use the IP for the static. So you can we can reserve from maybe 254. Our server is 254, so we we will reserve till 2. We will use until 240. Okay, 192.168.0.240. So you have a remaining IP address to like reserve. If you have a servers, you can allocate this IP address, so no one will you have a reserve IP. So the /24 subnet mask 25.225.225.225. Okay, now next. So what's this? Exclusion we did in the first we did here. I think we don't need. If you need, you can exclude the IP you want to exclude. Okay, next. So list duration. So what the purpose of the list duration? So here the default is 8 days. So in case you are running out of IP address, if the laptop receive a sign from the DHCP server, it will take 8 days to release to remove automatically from the laptop. So it will change to another IP again. If the user on vacation and the laptop gets IP address from the DHCP, it will expire and then it will release or assign to other devices. Next. So for me, 8, it's fine, no problem. Next. So yes, click yes. So what is this? Default gateway. So router IP address, main router. So 192.168.0.1. So this is the IP of our main router. Click next. So if you want to add like Google 8.8.8, you can add if you want DNS or adding in your, you can just add this one. Okay. This is our DNS, our server domain. Click next. WINS server, we don't have this one, so click next. Yes, I want to activate the scope. Click next. Click finish. Now we are done. So our address pool from 21 to 240. Okay, so we if someone connected to our network, you will see here, this is the address list. Reservation, we don't have reservation. Okay, now we are done with the DHCP server. Okay, close. Okay, so AD Active Directory is done, DHCP is done, DNS is done. So next is we will create a account from Active Directory. Let's go. So now I will go to tools. Okay, I'll go to tools, Active Directory. Yeah, this one. So now this is the Active Directory. This is the domain. As you can see, we don't have yet join laptop here. So users, this is the groups. So now we will create organizational OU. For example, your main office in Manila, or any any city, like for example, so click new organizational unit. So like Manila. So this is Manila office, like that. Then click. So now this is the organizational unit for Manila. Then we will create a organizational unit for users. Okay. And this we will create for the IT and HR staff. Okay, so this is the users, IT department, and staff, all staff. So we will create a new user. So how to create a new user? So right click here from this folder, you will create a user from the IT department. So click new, right click, new, and users. So this is the user. For example, my name, John Michael. So the user log on, it depends of your what is the requirements or what's the format. For me, we use here in the in my experience here in Middle East, we use this like first three of the first name, first three of letter of the surname, like that. So let's see, this one I will for best practice use that one. Sometimes they use all the names like that, John, that Michael, that Medina. It's long. So some of the organization, they use the ID like this, Med 5001, like that, 5001. This is the ID number they use for username to log into the laptop. So what I will use, what is our requirements? So okay, PC name Med001. So let's try make it Medijo. Med is the first three letter of my surname, Jo, and first three letter of my first name, Medi Jo, John. So medijo at medina.com. Now let's put Medijo. It's okay. It's 4 letter from my surname and 3 letter from my first name, like that. Click next. Password. So I'll check this one. You can also put the temporary password if you have temporary password. Then click this one, user, and the user login, it will ask for the changes, but for the demo only we will use password, any password. So click next. So this is the full name, user login name, okay, Medijo. Finish. So finish. So we have now user in the IT organizational folder. Next is in the staff. So this is the normal employee. So I will create again. Right click, new user, then first name, maybe my son, Elius Lina. So this is name, Medi Mediayul. Okay. Now click next. Put the password, temporary password or any kind of password. Click next. Mediael. Okay. Finish. So now I have the 2 users in different organizational department or unit. So John, we will go to member of, we will make an administrator. Okay, domain admin. Okay, this is only for demo. Okay, now I will show you how to add or join the laptop to domain. Okay, so we are done with creating our organizational unit and users to our domain Active Directory. So now we will pin this one if we need again. Okay, minimize. We will minimize. So now we will open the 2 laptop. Assuming we have a new laptop now, reformatted to Windows 11. Okay, we'll close this one. So this is our 2 laptop. I'm using Hyper-V. Let's check what is the internet settings. So assuming we will connect the laptop to our company network. So this is the way for to connect to the company network from Hyper-V. I create this one like internal network from the Hyper-V. So med network. Okay. The other one also we need to connect to med network. Okay. Our server is already connected to the med network. Okay. Now it's fine. Okay. Now when I created this 2 laptop, I just create a normal user, like administrator user in the laptop. Best practice. So I will just log in. This is the 2 PC. Assuming this is our 2 PC laptop. or desktop. Okay. Now, let's try if it's connected. Config. Ay, CMD. IP config all. So now, as you can see, it's connected now to our network. When I change the port. So CMD CMD IP config on. Okay, same. It's on the DHCP already assigned the IP. So the IP is 22 and 23. Okay. So let's see from the server. This is our server. We go here. No. We go to DNS. Let's see. DHCP. So let's see what happened when someone connected to our internet. So addresses. Now you see there's a 3 connected to the PC now. I don't know where's this desktop. Oh, okay. So now we have 3 devices connected to our DHCP. So now we will try to connect to domain, add to domain. So now let's try. So ito muna isa. Muna natin ito isa. Properties ka lang dyan. This computer properties. Then yan, work group, domain work group, and change. So for best practice, gumawa kayo ng PC name sa PC name list, like yung asset tag nyo, ganun. Dapat meron kayong naka-allot para sa mga PC names. So for example, ito yung ginawa ko. This is the standard from our company, like that. Med 0001. So ito yung PC name ng isa. So we will ito rin yung record ng PC name sa IT asset management. So ganun lang, for best practice. Ito alam natin med 01. Then click domain. Once you click domain, yung ating domain name .com, medina.com, click. So I will try my admin na ginawa. Medyo hindi natin ang tatalab. Yun, masok. So yung IT staff user na ginawa ko siyang domain admin, so or administrator, kaya siya nakakapag login as an administrator. And click OK once join na, click welcome. Then magre-restart siya para mag-take effect yung pag-join sa domain. So restart. So yung next naman ang gagamitin natin. So click lang yan. Kaya natin mag-start. Ito naman isa. So right-click mo lang dyan, properties. May shortcut yan nakalimutan ko lang kung paano. So domain group, inano ko lang sa inyo yung yung pinapakita. I will show you the manual step by step pa. So change. So ano yung pangalan yan? Med 00. So ito, paano ito, med002, join natin sa domain. So medina.com, click OK. Video. Okay, now restart na natin. So now we will try to log in. As you can see, there is other user now. We can sign in from user account from the domain. So as you can see, the net BIOS Medina, it's already registered here. Same with the other PC. So now before log in, I will log into the local admin first, and then run GP update, GP update first, force first. Okay, so run cmd, then right click, run as admin. Okay, click yes. Now type in GP update force. As well, the other PC, same, cmd run as admin. So GP update force. So let's wait. Okay, now this one is fine. So sign out. Okay, so now the policy updated. So now we will also sign out. Okay, now we will first log in. I forgot the username. First my username, so Medijo, then my password. Click. That's it. Now it's working. So next, the other PC. So I forgot the username of my son. So go here, double click, go to account. So what's Mediael. Okay, let's try Mediael. Then the password. Working. So where's the other piece? Minimize. So now I'm connected and join to domain. CMD config. Okay, as well the other one. So already done. GP update. IP config. Okay, ns lookup medijo.com. Okay, goods, ns lookup medijo.com. Okay, all good. So close natin. Join to domain. So right click, properties, and check nyo rin dito, makikita nyo full name, or go to domain. So natin yung admin natin. Mali. So pag i-ano nyo yung local domain sa pag ilalagin nyo, kailangan may tooldoc // admin. Okay, now, so as you can see, domain medina.com, full name of computer medina0001.medina.com. So successful yung pag-join ng PC. So check natin yung other PC properties, ulit domain group, change name. Ito yan, okay na. So okay na siya, medina 002.medina.com, tapos yung domain is medina. So successful yung pag-join sa domain itong dalawang PC. Then let's see what is from the computers, from the server. So let's see, minimize. Where's the computers? Refresh. So now, as you can see, that the two PC we joined before, it's already now here. Med 0001 and Med 002. Okay, in computers. So the user we log in is this one, John Michael, the IT staff, and also the staff, the normal employees, the Elias, my son. So we log in this one to the laptop. So now I have a 2 PC joined to domain. We did the configuration of the Active Directory, DNS, and DHCP, as well as we discuss and demo how to create account, create organizational unit, create account, and adding the PC to domain. Okay, so I hope you enjoy our video. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe, comment, and like and share this video. Okay, thank you.